So, okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, for those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, yesterday we did analysis on GBPJPY. We talked about having a bullish move. I also went along with the trade. We talked about having a bullish move on GBPJPY as a form of a pullback. We talked about it, and guess what? Price actually gave us that bullish move. So we would want to know where this price will be moving for today. First, you would want to see this trend, which is actually a bearish move, right? Price is dropping, it has taken out our 10 period moving average. It's trading below our 10 period moving average. So let's see this movement like this as a drop. We would now consider this to be a pullback that came close to our moving average. A new drop was made, and then here comes a pullback. What will you expect next? Definitely another drop on this GBPJPY. Please let us see it drop to level of 156. Currently, we are trading at a level of 159. Let's have a drop on GBPJPY to a level of 156. So that is what I will be watching out for. So you can also watch out for it. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame is saying. So if in case this will continue to give us that bullish move, I'm just saying if in case it will continue to give us that bullish move, then we can now take a look at this to be an impulse move. Of course, a pullback needs to play out, right? Once that pullback plays out, maybe then we can continue that uptrend move. So that is to tell you that let's watch out for a drop on GBPJPY for today. So I'm watching out for a level of 156. If we can get to a level of 158, 157, 158 and 157, I think that would be enough if we can grab to that level. But I personally would watch out for a level of 156, but you can watch out for a level of 158, 15 and 157. Price will very much likely hit that level today.